Here's our little wine cave there with a cat that's looking to look inside, but pardon the cat. So this up here is one zone, and this down here is another zone. We actually have them set at the same because we don't really choose to have many white wines. And actually, we've got some stuff that there's not wine at all right now. Just what is that? Organic limonata. But it's and we have a little sake down there at the bottom. We find after we open bottles, we often we open them, we stand them back up in here like this. But it works really well. We've had it now for several months. It's a nice little refrigerator, wine refrigerator. We have both of ours set to 56, but there you go. Anyway, looks good. Cheers.
Works perfect. Best thing I ever bought for keeping my wine perfect. Dual temperature control. Is lighted inside. Works perfect. Love it. Thank y'all.
As you can see, a regular size, actually pretty large wine bottle. Fits. No problem. Works just fine. For the month that I've had it, it's been quiet. Everything, light works. It's quiet, no noise whatsoever. Happy with the purchase.
Yeah, so when I opened this, the door arrived broken. It looks like this bottom latch was bent down and you can't put it back on, so that sucks.